What is arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators in JavaScript are symbols that let you perform math operations. In arithmetic operators, we have three things. One is operands, one is operators. Operands like value, variables, and etc. Operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, and modulus. Now let's work with an example. Imagine that we have a class. Our class have 20 students. Let's write it. Let students equal to 20 students. Now, one more students come into our class. We can add one more students into our students variable like this. Students equal to students plus 1. Now let's see the display of that. Console.log into students. Let's see. Now our students are 21. Or imagine that one student leave our class. We can write it like this. Students equal to students minus 1 or subtraction 1. Now let's see the output. Now our students is 19. We can make our students double like this. Students equal to students multiplication 2. Now let's see it. 20 multiplication 20 equal to 40. If we divide our class into two parts, we can write it like this. Student equal to students division 2. Now let's see. Then now let's know about exponentiation. Let's write it. Students equal to students exponentiation 2. Now let's see the output of this. This 400. If we module our class, the modulus show the remainder of our class. For example, let's write it. Students equal to students module 2. Let's see the output of this. This 0. If I change this 20 into 21, now let's see the output. The reminders should be 1. Yes, this shows the remainder.